Here are 5 tips for navigating the home buying process. Talk to mortgage brokers. Many first-time home buyers don't take the time to get pre-qualified. They also often don't take the time to shop around to find the best mortgage for their particular situation. It's important to ask plenty of questions and make sure you understand the home loan process completely. 2. Be ready to move. This is especially true in markets with a low inventory of homes for sale. It's very common for home buyers to miss out on the first home they wish to purchase because they don't act quickly enough. By the time they've made their decision, they might find that someone else has already purchased the house. Number 3, make a good offer. Remember that your offer is very unlikely to be the only one on the table. Do what you can to ensure it's appealing to a seller. 4. Factor maintenance and repair costs into your buying budget. Even brand new homes will require some work. Don't leave yourself short and let your home deteriorate. Find a trusted partner. It's absolutely vital that you find a real estate professional who understands your goals and who is ready and able to guide you through the home buying process. As always, if you have any questions about the home buying process, please call, text, or email us, and we will be more than happy to serve to our clients.